Okay, so I'm going to create a nice sort of sweeping white noise sound for the build-up section here at the start of our track. And it's something you can use later on in the build-up as well. It's not the only sort of sweeping effect we'll be using, but it's a place to start. So I'm going to insert a new MIDI track and we'll rename it Sweep. And I'll grab a copy of Sylenth, or if you've got simpler and just a white noise sample will be fine. I'll just initialize this. I'll stick it to 1. That's us. Okay, so I'm going to just draw in a nice big long MIDI clip with a MIDI note on it, and that'll get us our white noise playing. And we can get rid of that. This is the basis of bass to make the beat flow. This is the basis of bass to make the beat flow. So I'm going to have it coming in at the bar 21. Yes. And if we just grab our auto filter, I'm going to put 2 auto filters on this. So we've got a low pass and a high pass. We'll start with the high pass, and then we've got the low pass, and we'll have it fading up for the start. And we'll have this high pass just down to begin with. Okay, so for that sort of part there where the vocals are still playing, I'll just do a steep drop in the filter and come back up again maybe. Just need to make sure that's playing. So when that comes back in again, we'll have the high pass a bit higher, so it's going to create a couple points. Okay, so we can try that, and I'm just going to push this further back in the mix again by using our delay trick where you quickly delay the sample. So if we push this down, it switches the time, and we'll put our dry wet up full, and we'll have about 10 and 20 milliseconds. And then I'm going to also put a bit of reverb on this, on the track as well, because this will just push it further back in the mix, or I'll maybe just send it to the send that we've got here and see if that works. Okay, so I'm going to put a nice sidechain compressor on this. Again, grabbing the kick drum from our drums. Body kick. extend that out a bit and bring these out as well. And I'll have this sort of auto filter sort of dipping down so that it fades it out. Maybe have it going all the way out to loop 2 there, so that it's a real gradual fade, which is here. I'll fade that down over time, and we'll just see what else we can do here. So we've got, I'll maybe drop an EQ8 and brighten the top end out. So we go for high quality, and I'll grab a high shelf. Just gonna kill the drums for the start of that. Okay, so that sounds pretty good with the sweep. I'll just drag that over and drop it into the second build up as well, because it should fit in there. Okay, so that works pretty well at that second build up as well. Okay, so in the next one then we'll just continue on with this.